2024년 6월 12일 조지아주 애선스 다급한 911 신고를 받고 경찰이 한 주택가로 출동합니다. 현장에는 피를 흘리며 쓰러져 있는 남성과 충격에 빠진 여성이 있습니다. 경찰은 상황을 파악할 겨를도 없이 우선 피해자의 목숨을 살리기 위해 필사적인 사투를 시작합니다.
Okay, we'll take a look at it in a second. Where's the firearm? No. Stay right there. No, don't get anything. All right, step over there. Step over there with her. Step over there.
She's in the kitchen.
Okay, step over there. Step away from her. Step away from him. Go step over there.
I'm sorry.
You're good.
I'm sorry.
You're good.
Help me.
Hang on.
Help me.
Hold pressure on that. No, hold pressure. Hold on. 1026, deliver fire EMS. Here, stop.
Is he gonna be alive?
All right, I'm through and through.
Is he gonna be stay alive?
It's through and through. Hey, bro, keep breathing.
Jeremy, stay with me.
Oh, chest. I got you. Yep, I got you. Chest it. There it is.
I love you.
Move away!
He told me to come
Get
in.
back!
I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. I'm
Stay still.
pregnant.
Stay still, man. Lay down.
Save his life.
Okay.
Stop moving.
Jeremy, look at me.
I'm breathing. Help me.
Stop
Bro, chill.
moving. I'm trying to get the
help,
chest
bro.
on you.
Here, my
You got gloves?
Here.
Lay down.
Jeremy, I'm right here. I'm right here, Jeremy.
I'm trying to breathe.
Don't move, man.
Put
Don't move.
your knee on him.
I'm not on my head. Hold him down.
Chill.
I love you, Jeremy. I'm right here, Jeremy.
Chill, bro.
Jeremy, look, I'm right here, Jeremy.
Look, we got an ambulance en route,
I
okay?
love you. Jeremy.
Where's the firearm at?
Jeremy.
Is it through and through? Yep, it's through and through.
Jeremy.
Move.
Help me.
Jeremy, I'm right here. I'm right here.
I can't
Jeremy.
breathe.
He can't breathe.
You're all right, man.
Morgan, hey, get her back. Just get her back.
He needs me right here. He wants me right
pregnant, stand
here.
up.
I'm pregnant.
Stand up.
Breathing.
Jeremy.
Okay. Check his back. Make sure there's no
Jeremy.
wound on that.
It is. It's through and through. All right. It's all right.
Jeremy. That's the father of my child.
Okay.
And I'm pregnant.
Y'all got the weapon secured already?
I didn't mean to see this. I didn't mean to see this.
Hey, breathe.
Don't. Hey. Hold him down, please.
Not different breathing.
Hey, babe, hold on, buddy. Hold on. Okay, hold on.
Tell me.
You're breathing, baby. You're okay.
Sit on the porch
I
right
did
here.
not mean to shoot him.
Okay. What happened here?
Okay.
Hang on a second.
Is he okay?
Chill, bro. I got scissors. I got scissors.
Okay. It's alright. Just relax, bud.
Let me read this to you real quick. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
I'm stopping breathing, man.
Bro, Homer, put your arms on his shoulder and hold him down. Do you understand each of these rights that I
Yes.
explained to you?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to speak to me now?
Yes.
Okay, what happened? Oh, this is her phone?
She called 911 and I literally just got here.
Did you know her?
I just met her maybe about a week and a half ago.
We got in an argument yesterday. He put his hands on me.
Bro, let me die.
You're
We're not gonna let you down, man. You're
straight.
straight.
Okay. Lay back for us, okay? He said he hated me. He said that he cheated on me. Okay.
Are you staying up here?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
So I said, okay, well, I never see you again. I dropped him off,
Were you here when this happened?
Yes, I was here for like 3 minutes and it happened.
and then he called me this morning, just telling me to come pick him up and everything. I said no. I said never, don't talk to me again, and I blocked him.
So I came in, we were hanging out, met her dog. Hey, breathe, bro. Take a breath. I know, much breathe. He came in, went to go, he's like, I need an ID or a card or something. And I guess that's the baby daddy. Something happened with some cheating, something like that. So I was like, I'm gonna give you guys a minute to talk. This is your personal conversation.
That white guy over there, he's just my friend. He just came to fix something over here. He's a maintenance man.
Walked out the door, came in my car to grab something for maintenance. So there was a drill or something was gonna change the batteries because it has crash failure.
Someone knocked at the door. My friend over there, he just opened it, didn't look who it was, and then he walks in, charges at me, and
then I hear a pop, but it didn't sound like a gun.
Right.
To me, it did not. It was inside.
and there's guns all in the house for protection, and I was just pointing it at him. I did not know that it was loaded, did not know that it was in the chamber, did not know none of that.
And then all I hear is, oh, and he's walking out the thing, coming down the steps, and you see the bullet shot. And it was an accident. She was like, it's an accident, because she was trying, I guess, leave me the f alone, because he had beaten her before, is what she says.
I did not mean to pull the trigger or nothing like that.
Okay.
I was pointing at him, telling him to get out.
I was here for 3 minutes. Right up here, sir, on this side.
You got the
Yes, sir. I've never been something like this.
As long as that chest seal's on there, he's gonna be able to breathe. Hey, keep him on his side. Kind of just like that, just stay right there, okay?
It's all right.
You're good, buddy. Just take breaths in, okay?
He's okay. We got ambulance en route. Fire's here. They're going to take good care of him, okay? You're not just hanging around?
I don't think I'm getting out with my van at the moment right now, so
All right.
I understand.
I need you to keep talking to me. So he walks in the house. You knew who it was at this point.
Yes, that's my baby's father. I
Okay.
still love him. We got you.
This is up.
Let's stay laying down, okay?
Gang.
Okay. Do what you gotta do right now.
Where was the gun at when you grabbed it?
He was in the bedroom.
Okay, what kind of gun was it?
A 45.
Okay, 45.
I don't know that much about guns.
Okay. Whose gun is it?
It is dude who lives here.
Hey, sir. Can you tell me your name?
Go ahead and grab the backboard.
Jeremy what?
Howard.
Howard? Okay. Where did you grab the gun at?
It was just in the bedroom on his dresser.
On his dresser, okay.
Is he gonna be alive?
Yes, he's fine. He's fine.
Lay down so they can check
I know,
it.
I know.
I don't want to die.
Get up, boy. I gotta check you out, man. Just lay down for just 1 second, all right? All right.
How many times did you fire it?
Once on accident. I didn't even mean to do that. I didn't know that it was loaded.
Okay, you had your finger on the
I
trigger
didn't
there?
know that I did. I was just holding it, like trying to scare him.
Okay.
Hey, just hold his hand.
Hey, hold my hand, okay?
There you go.
When officers came over here, where did the gun end up? Where's it at?
It's where I left it.
Where's it at?
It's either, it's like in the kitchen on the floor, or I don't know. I dropped it. As soon as it went off, like I ran over there to Jeremy, and then I tried to help him. I thought he was dying.
Jeremy, hey, take a big deep breath for me.
Is he gonna die?
No, he looks like he's doing
You
all right.
promise?
Yeah.
You promise?
So, man,
He
straighten
looks
up
like he
everything.
can't hardly breathe.
Well, it went through his lungs, so kind of.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to shoot him. I just meant to scare
Sure.
him.
Is this your phone?
That's my phone. That's what I called y'all off of.
Oh, okay. Through your backpack? Is the gun in there?
No, the gun's inside the house.
Once it's inside the house, it's been
You're good, okay?
I'm not sure if they've been inside yet.
He came in unannounced, like we were not on good terms. I just blocked him. I told him to
Where'd
not,
you say the firearm was?
Huh?
Where'd you say the
It's in the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Right when you walk in there, it should be in there on the floor or something.
His hands are cold. I don't know if that's really going to give you.
Were your hands cold before this?
I walk, oh, yeah.
You walked here, okay. So you've been out all night?
Where was he standing when the firearm was
He was
fired?
standing like right in front of the trash can, like right as you walk in the door.
Have we been through the house?
I have not. Jones is the first one.
Staff coming in.
Go ahead and clear it just to make sure there's nobody else in here.
Have we asked if there's anybody else in here?
No.
Yeah, there's
My
nobody.
dog, my dog, my dog.
Where's the dog
I
at?
don't know. I don't know.
They're not worried about the dog.
I'm worried about my dog.
Vicious dog, like, we don't worry about the dog. But
She's sweet. She's not vicious, but she can't get out.
I haven't cleared that. Supposedly there's a gun in here somewhere. Okay, we'll just clear it for people right now, and then we'll see.
That's my like service dog. Like my animals are like not she don't have paperwork nothing, but like I have panic attacks and everything. And that's like she helps me. Like I have to have my dog.
Dude, I can't believe how much they renovated this. This place used to be falling in on itself. We got out here specific unit? Oh yeah, we used to come out here all the time. Used to be a wood burning stove in the living room here. On these people or on someone else?
other folks.
They're taking good care of him. He's gonna be all right?
Because I want him to see our baby be growing like this is my first baby. Like I still love him.
I got you, I know.
And in the past, like he's beaten me before, so I was like, you know, I thought he was gonna beat me or something. So, I don't want him to get in trouble for that either.
사건의 발단이 남자친구의 외도였음이 드러납니다. 임신한 상태에서 배신감에 휩싸인 헤더는 단지 겁을 주려 했을 뿐 총이 장전된 줄은 몰랐다고 주장하죠. 이는 무기를 손에 쥐면 자신이 상황을 완벽하게 제어할 수 있다고 착각하는 치명적인 인지 편향, 통제력의 환상입니다. 하지만 현실은 정반대입니다. 총이 등장하는 순간 이성은 사라지고 통제권은 사람이 아닌 총에게 넘어갑니다.
Here's the gun. Okay. Clear if you can hold, or see if downtown or west side can help out for now. That's like 45 on it. That's a big one. Shotgun behind the door. I'm smelling some alcohol. Have you
I
had
don't
any?
drink alcohol.
Okay.
I'm pregnant.
Drug use on the bed.
There's an AR mag up there.
Bullets and stuff. Okay. What were you saying when you were pointing the gun at him?
I wasn't saying I was gonna shoot him. I was just saying, get out, please get out.
Another rifle. Clark County Police. Anybody in here announce yourself? Lots of burnt temple.
All right, sweetie, I'm gonna cross your arms across your chest. My name is Anna. I'm a paramedic. I'm gonna take care of you, okay, baby doll?
He's only been over here one time, and the guy my roommate doesn't want him over here at all. He said he's not allowed over here at all.
Nobody under the bed. Probably crack pipe.
There's another rifle right here. They're loaded to the hilt.
We got you, okay?
1, 2, 3.
I'm going to leave that as is for now. American Tactical 45 Auto, hammers back.
Hey, Jeremy, I'm right here, okay?
Where did this happen?
Inside, in the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
I'll look for a shell casing.
It was a
It
through and
happened
through, Sarge.
inside the house is where it happened.
All right, sweetie, I'm gonna set you down on the stretcher. We gotta do a turn.
What do you want? Start with the head?
Yeah, turn around. The feet gotta go first.
What kind of condition? Is it pretty serious? Okay. If one of y'all can follow to the hospital. He just said that he was shot. He said that it was an accident.
Who said it was an accident?
He said it was an accident. The guy that was shot said that?
Yeah.
Okay. From the moment the gun was fired, how long did it take you to call 911?
Like as soon as I found my phone, so less than a minute.
Okay. How did he end up out here?
I think what happened was like he said you shot me, and then he walked right there, and then I followed him and I was applying pressure because I didn't know what to do. And then my friend said he brought me that dish towel and was like, yeah, apply pressure.
Yeah.
Is Joan still inside?
Yes, sir. Yes. All right. You can just hang out with her while I talk to Mom. All right.
The book bag. There's the hole.
She says she thought he was gonna beat her again, so she went and grabbed the gun off of dresser and pointed it at him. She didn't know it was loaded. She didn't know it had anything in it. She didn't even know her finger was on the trigger. She's in the kitchen. He's near the front door. She said she didn't say she was going to shoot him or anything like that. She's just saying, get out of my house. Then a round goes off.
The owner of the house, he'll be off work he'll be here around like 8:30. He said he's not allowed over here. Like,
Oh, just because he didn't want to. Now, are there conditions of bond or no?
huh?
Are there any conditions of bond or TPOs in place?
No, no, no.
Okay.
No. He said he's not allowed over here.
Until I hear more from CID here, let's go ahead and she's giving you a pretty good initial statement there. Let's go ahead and hold off on trying to question her anymore.
Okay.
Just to see how they want to come out and what that gives them all the information that they really need to lock off an initial statement. At least, and that was done under Miranda. Please tell me. Okay.
I think it stopped in here. No. Yeah, I think it stopped here.
Like, I was just holding it to scare him, to get him to go out, because I didn't want him to put his hands on me or nothing like that, because that's happened in the past. But I mean, saying that, I don't want to press charges. I don't want him to get in trouble for that, because I think this beats that by far. Thank you for coming and for saving me, because I really want my baby to know what he said, and if I feel my baby's ready, like.
Right.
I wonder how that got there.
He probably came out here and leaned on it. He probably just leaned up on it and then laid down right here.
I hate myself right now. Like, I cannot believe that I'd never shot anybody.
It was a 45.
Yeah, I know it's in there.
You look so familiar.
Where?
You look like that.
How'd we get that?
Found it. Found it.
Into his book bag.
He went in his
Went
book bag,
through all that
went
stuff
through
and
all
stopped
this,
in there.
and then went through this last, and
That is the last round I would want to do with. And I need to find out specifically more from her about what all he was doing when he got here, because it doesn't necessarily seem like he was doing anything other than kind of opened the door and came in real quick. Wasn't actually offering any violence or anything like that. I'm going to get you to stand up, Miss McCall.
Okay, did you talk to the witness?
Yes.
Then our story
Just step down here. We're going to swap
Can I get
handcuffs.
some shoes?
Yeah, just step right there. We'll take care of all that.
Sorry. It'd be a little bit better for you up here.
Thank you.
Just a little bit more comfortable.
Thank
Okay?
you.
That's all right. No worries.
what's key room? 3. Thank you.
I'm so worried. Like, is he gonna die?
I don't think he's going to die.
You don't think he's gonna die? Do you like, what percentage do you not think he's gonna die?
I can't evaluate that, but I mean,
Like this?
I think he'll pull through. Yeah, you got to be positive about
Are you
these
just
kind of
telling
things.
me that?
Are you cold?
A little bit.
All right, let's
Are
head
you
to the
just
car.
telling me that?
Residential room. Yeah, we've got the female. She's the James. Yep, I got name and birthdays. First name's Jeremy.
Where? Listen, in the house. Where did you shoot when you
I was
pulled the
standing
trigger?
in front of the bedroom door that way.
They're working on that one. It's a female though. Yeah, she's good. We got it.
So where was she saying that she was at?
She was right here, wherever this gun is, because she dropped it.
She just
So-
dropped it.
Yeah, it would have hit this, potentially out there.
Let's just look in here too.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. His social security card, his cash card.
I don't want to be pregnant in jail. I don't want to be in jail. I want to be with my baby when I have it. I want him to be okay and be there when I have a baby. I want everything to be okay.
헤더는 클라크 카운티 경찰서로 이송되었으며 경찰은 그녀의 기소 여부를 판단하고자 총격 사건의 전말을 신문했습니다.
In this photograph here, you see this little thing back here?
Yeah.
That's the hammer.
No, I didn't touch that.
Okay.
I didn't see that on there.
Okay.
I don't even, but no, I didn't. I didn't pull that back. No.
Okay.
No.
So your purpose for getting the firearm, was it because he was there, or was it because you were afraid that he was going to hurt you, or was it because you wanted him out of the house?
I got the gun because I just wanted him to leave.
You wanted him to
I wanted
leave,
him to
okay.
leave. I just was trying to scare him to get him to leave because I know he's stubborn and he don't leave. He makes like situations like worse. Like I was afraid that he was gonna put his hands on me.
Did he make any threats to put his hands on you or anything like that?
No.
No. Okay.
He never does, like verbally.
Okay. So you just when you were holding
I
it,
was holding it like this.
and your hand was just on the trigger, and when you squeezed
I didn't
your
have
hand,
my hands on the trigger. I thought
Right.
my hand
Well-
was on like the outside of it or like up under. I had no idea my hand was on the trigger. If I would have never even got it. Like
what was his demeanor? Jeremy's demeanor?
he was like, just give me my stuff.
Was he being loud? Was he being boisterous?
Not scary aggressive, but kind of like stern. Like, and then it escalated to being like yelling.
Like, what was he doing with his hands while he was yelling?
Just mad hand gestures.
Yeah.
Like the way it all started was he said that I was his bad karma on that day,
Okay.
and that's what kind of hurt me the most.
So do you think in your mind that this was an accident,
Yes.
or do you think it was self-defense?
It was an accident.
Okay.
We got a few more questions to ask you. Okay? Did you know that he was coming over?
No,
You didn't know at all.
no.
We're just trying to see just trying to get a timeline of everything. So
Jeremy opened the door, and I was like, "What are you doing here?" And he was like, "I need to get my stuff. Give me my stuff." And I was like, "What stuff are you talking about?"
Mhm.
And he was like, "My social security card and this and that." And so I went and I got the social security card, and I held it, and I was like holding it, but it wasn't like saying like here. I was holding it. I was like, "Well, tell me your name. Just tell me your name." And he was like, "I'm telling you, there's no name." And then I was like, "Well, just leave then." And he wouldn't leave. And then that's when I went in there and got the gun just to scare him.
and you were still holding the stuff.
Yeah,
Okay. At any point, did you give it to him?
I don't think so.
Okay. So do you think if you had given him the stuff, he would have left?
No.
Okay.
Probably not.
Okay.
Is he okay?
Unfortunately, he did not survive.
What?
So
Yeah, the doctors did everything they could.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Oh my god! No! Oh my god! No!
You know, we don't believe that you did this,
I'm sorry.
you know,
I'm sorry.
on purpose or anything.
Oh my god!
의료진의 끝없는 노력에도 불구하고 제레미는 결국 숨을 거두고 맙니다. 헤더는 방아쇠를 당긴 기억조차 없다고 오열하죠. 배신감에 분노하여 의도적으로 방아쇠를 당긴 것인지 아니면 그녀의 주장대로 정말 우발적인 사고였는지는 오직 그녀만이 알 것입니다. 하지만 설령 그녀의 주장대로 실수였다 할지라도 극도의 긴장감 속에서 장전 여부조차 모르는 총기를 다루는 것은 그 자체로 시한폭탄을 안고 있는 것과 같습니다. 그 순간의 무지함과 오판이 살인의 면죄부가 될 수는 없었습니다.
Do you have any questions for us?
Am I gonna go to jail for murder?
No.
No.
Obviously, when somebody does get in
Oh
a situation
my
like this, we do have to look at what
Oh my god!
What laws were broken?
Oh my god!
but we're not going to be charging you with murder or anything.
I can't believe you got it!
All right, let me go see if I can get that facilitated for you.
Oh my god!
Hey, Heather.
We're gonna go ahead and transport you, okay?
To where?
We're gonna go to the jail, alright? I need you to stand up for me, okay? Just stand up for me, okay?
We can't do that.
He's at the hospital, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
He's passed away, yeah. Go ahead and stand up for me, Heather. Come on.
There you go, sweetie. Come on.
You stand up for me.
Can you do my hand? Stand up for me, okay?
Oh my god!
Put your shoes on. Put your shoes on. We're gonna handcuff you again, okay? But it's just gonna go in the front again, okay? Unfortunately, it is. I'm sorry.
클라크 카운티 교도소로 이송된 헤더는 과실치사 및 중과실 혐의로 기소되었습니다. 2만 달러의 보석금을 내고 풀려나 무사히 아기를 출산한 그녀는 처음엔 무죄를 주장했고 행복한 모습으로 아이를 키우는 사진도 발견됩니다. 하지만 결국 2025년 12월 유죄를 인정하는 조건으로 형량을 낮추는 합의를 받아들입니다. 법원은 그녀에게 10년의 보호관찰을 선고했고 그중 첫 4년은 주립교도소에서 실형을 살게 됩니다. 그녀는 2029년이 되어서야 가석방 심사 자격을 얻게 됩니다.